You can heal any kind of pain in less than 60 seconds if you understand how to use this instant quantum healing technique. Hi, my name is Ax. I'm an instant healing hypnotherapist, and in this video, I'm going to help you guys understand what quantum healing is and how we can use quantum healing combined with instant healing, hypnosis, and we can just merge them together into a really powerful practice that can heal any kind of physical or emotional pain. So by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to heal any kind of physical or emotional pain in less than 60 seconds. So let's get started. Now let's first understand what quantum healing is. This revolutionary approach to self-healing combines ancient wisdom with cutting-edge science to tap into your body's natural healing potential. But before we dive into the technique, let's explore the foundation of quantum healing. The subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is the powerhouse of brain that is processing over 95% of our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors below the level of conscious awareness. It's a system that regulates our heart rate, breathing, and digestion, among other vital functions. Research in neuroscience has shown that our subconscious mind is wired with neural pathways that can be reprogrammed through repetition, visualization, and emotional associations. This is where quantum healing comes in. By harnessing the power of our subconscious mind, we can access the quantum field and tap into the infinite potential for healing and growth. In this quantum realm, particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, and our thoughts and intentions can influence their behavior. By focusing our subconscious mind on specific outcomes, we can essentially program our cells and molecules to respond in kind. Studies in epigenetics have also shown that our subconscious beliefs and emotions can affect gene expression, turning our genes on and off like a light switch. This means that by reprogramming our subconscious mind, we can literally rewrite our genetic code and unlock our full potential for health and well-being. So now that we have some understanding about what we are about to do, let me teach you guys some of the rules that we need to know before we get started with this technique. Now there are 4 rules that you need to remember to understand how this instant quantum healing technique works. And if you understand these 4 rules, you can heal any kind of physical and emotional pain. Rule number 1 is, while we will be using this technique, you have to understand something, how our subconscious mind communicates with us. So for this method to work, we need to establish a medium of communication with our subconscious mind. So the way we are going to do that is, anytime we ask our subconscious mind any question, your subconscious mind will answer it honestly, because one of the functions of your subconscious mind is to be honest about what you are asking your subconscious mind. Let's suppose if I ask you to focus on red. The moment I said the word red, your subconscious mind honestly showed you what red color looks like, and that is the reason you understood the color red. So it responds honestly to you. It understands our verbal language, but the way it responds is through images, feelings, and emotions, and we are going to make use of that. Number 2, before we remove any kind of physical or emotional pain, we need to be able to measure the intensity of that particular pain. And we are going to measure the intensity of any kind of pain before we even start the technique. So by the end of it, you can remeasure it and see that it's gone. And we are going to use that in our method. Number 3, for removing any kind of pain, we need to identify the point of origin. Now, when we are removing any kind of physical pain, we understand what point of origin is, because that is the physical part that hurts. So you already know the point of origin for a physical pain. However, when we are dealing with any kind of emotional pain, we have to identify the point of origin for the emotional pain inside our physical body, because our emotions and our physical body are connected. Each emotion is connected to a particular physical aspect of our body, and we are going to make use of that. Number 4, your subconscious mind stores any kind of information in form of images. So if I ask you to recall a memory when you were the most happiest child, or you were the most happiest person on this planet, you are going to first of all get a memory inside your head. The moment you get a memory, the first thing you see is a visual image of that memory, and then that video starts playing on. And once you start watching that particular video inside your subconscious mind, you start feeling the emotions, which is the information that is stored inside that particular memory. And we need to make sure that when we are removing any kind of pain, we can identify how your subconscious mind is storing that kind of pain or trauma. Now, the first thing I want you to do is to decide what kind of pain are you trying to remove. Now, if you're choosing a physical pain, you already know where it is located, so just focus on that. And if you're going to choose any kind of emotional pain or any kind of trauma, I want you to focus on that trauma. Select what you are about to remove from your subconscious mind and heal yourself. Now, keep your phones away. Make sure you have some place to sit and you have some place to move your hands around. I'm going to teach you the instant quantum healing hypnosis technique. So sit down. Now, I want you to start focusing on this pain. And as you focus on this pain, remember, what do we have to do? We have to measure this pain so that we can assess by the end of this particular technique how much it worked. All right. Now, how we are going to measure this particular pain is really simple. I want you to focus on that pain and ask your subconscious mind this question. On a scale of 0 to 10, 0 being none, 10 being the highest, how intense is this pain? Now, the first number that comes to your mind is the right answer, because remember, your subconscious mind can't lie. So we always have to go with the first answer because your subconscious mind cannot lie. Now, whatever this number is, we have to take this number down to 0, because as it goes down to 0, the pain would just end, right? Now, just close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Just relax and focus on this pain. Now, as you focus on this pain, let me ask you this. Where is this pain located inside your body? Just try to observe what's the first body part that comes to your mind, or where do you feel this particular pain is? Now, whatever body part comes to your mind first is the right answer. With the tip of your finger, touch that body part. Now, as you touch that body part and bringing your subconscious mind's focus on that particular body part, let's ask your subconscious mind, how is it storing this particular information or energy inside your body? So ask your subconscious mind, if this feeling inside this body part was in form of a color, what color would it be? First impression, what color is it? Now, whatever color comes to your mind first is the right answer. Now, as you focus on this energy, I want you to ask your subconscious mind, when was the first time that you ever felt this feeling in your life? And your subconscious mind is going to bring a memory from your past in front of you. Go with the first memory that you get. Do not change it, because your subconscious mind can't lie. Now, if you didn't get a memory, that means your subconscious mind is masking this particular information. So we can ask your subconscious mind a different question if you do not get a memory. That is, if this feeling was in form of a picture, how will this picture look like? And your subconscious mind will give you a picture. Now, whatever you have, a memory or a picture, it doesn't matter. This is how your subconscious mind is storing this particular pain inside your body. Now, here is something really interesting I want you to do. With both your hands, I want you to grab this image in front of you and just hold on to it. Physically, just hold on to it. Now, there's something I want you to observe. I want you to make this image big by spreading your hands apart and observe the feeling inside your body. Try it on. Just try it on and see what you feel inside your body. And you're going to observe that the pain just intensifies. So, if it's intensifying because you are making it big, what happens if you make it small? So, shrink it, bring your hands together, just keep shrinking it until it becomes smaller and smaller and smaller. And then I want you to shrink it to a size of an atom, so small that you can barely hold it. And once you have done that, I want you to just throw this atom away and observe what happens. Now take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth and just relax. Observe that particular body part once again and observe what color energy do you see inside that body part. First impression, what color is it? And you're going to observe that the color changes. Now whatever this new color is the new information that you have reprogrammed inside your subconscious mind. Now all you have to do is, with each and every breath you take, I want you to expand this energy all the way from your head down to your toes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth and just spread it to each and every part of your body. And allow this energy to go to each and every part of your body. And all you have to do is, with each and every breath you take, double the brightness of this energy. Keep doubling it, with each and every breath you take. Keep doubling it until it becomes so bright that it covers your entire body. And only once your subconscious mind says that it is done, the pain is gone, only then you can finally open your eyes. Now open your eyes and relax. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth and observe how that pain is. And you're going to observe that the pain is gone. And let's recheck it. So I want you to ask your subconscious mind to rate this particular pain on a scale of 0 to 10. What's the first number that comes to your mind? And if it's 0, that means the pain is gone. However, if it says that it is not 0, repeat the process and you're going to heal it completely. This is just a beginner's guide to understanding how instant quantum healing hypnosis works. Now, if you guys would like to learn advanced instant quantum healing hypnosis and learn how to remove any kind of trauma or how to subconsciously reprogram yourself and attract whatever you truly desire or the right person that you desire or heal your relationships, here's something for you guys.
Hi, I am Axe, an instant healing hypnotherapist. I have developed a 15 days instant healing program. In these 15 days, I will teach you how to understand your subconscious mind map and patterns to identify your relationship blockages. Then using instant healing hypnosis, I will teach you how to instantly heal any toxic recurring patterns, trauma bond, depression, anxiety, PTSD, or any form of physical pain in less than 3 minutes. As a bonus, I will be giving you my special conversational hypnosis method that will make you an instant magnet for anyone in less than 1 minute. Book your free mini therapy session with me by clicking the link to my website in the description below, and let's discuss how we can completely transform your life.